Hello, everyone. Share the recent hot AI video generation model LTX-Video. The advantage of this model is that it is faster to generate. Video quality is acceptable. Open the integration pack. Go to the Comfy directory. Enter the command git pull origin master. Synchronize with the latest official code. Of course, it's already done for everyone here. Go back to the root directory and double-click run_NVIDIA_GPU. BAT. Click on Workflow on the left. Click Import Local Workflow. Select the Vincennes workflow within the project. The clip model officially uses the fp8 half precision model. Modified here to fp8 quantization model. Have the size without losing too much accuracy. The base model uses the official 2B parametric model. Enter the prompt here. Meaning: a woman with long brown hair and a light complexion smiles at another woman with long blonde hair. Enter the frames per second here. 25 won't lag. Here you enter the video width and height, as well as the duration. Enter the number of iteration steps here. Click the Q button to generate the video. Device is a 4060 laptop version. The 30-step iteration takes 15 seconds. Video memory takes up about 7 GB. As you can see, the accuracy hasn't dropped too much. Now generate a gentleman's delightful video. A beautiful bony super sexy girl in a red dress is smiling at the camera. The breeze caressed her long hair as it swayed in the wind. Sexy and attractive. Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.